Hello everyone, this is Steve Alexander. That's my email address right there, and that's my Twitter handle. As some of you know, I tweet all my trades before I make them, the live trades. The video I'm making today is not about live trades. This is a simulator here, so this is not live trading. It's just about something I wanted to say a few words about, an idea that's been in my head for at least 20 years, maybe longer. And I'm sure a lot of other people have thought about this. It's the idea that if you pick the right couple of moving averages and pick the fast one and the slow one, when the fast crosses the slow going up, then buy, and then when it crosses going down, you sell, and that'll make money. Long time ago, people thought the 8 and the 20 were the magic moving averages. If you buy when the 8 crosses over the 20 and sell when the 8 crosses under the 20, below the 20, then that'll make money in the long run. Well, actually there were some times when it would. However, I started looking recently to see a little more about what's going on with that story there. And this is a chart of CAR, the Avis Budget Group, kind of a typical stock. And the 3-day moving average here is plotted as the yellow line, and the 5-day moving average is plotted as the purple line. Now, I tried the 8 and the 20 and the 10 and the 20, etc. I tried the longer moving averages, but I found that the shorter moving averages, like 2, 3, 4, 5, worked better. They produce more trades, and they're more profitable than the longer ones are. So this particular chart is the Avis CAR. This is the daily bars, and this is the long downtrend we had here in March because of COVID. And then since then, it's been kind of trading more like normally stocks trade. And you can see the trades there. The winning trades are in cyan, that color, winning trade. The losing trades are in yellow, and there are a couple of losing trades on there as well. So that's what's going on here. And I thought I'd give you the report here and show you how it's doing, I guess. So, Strategy Performance Report. This is going from the period December last year, or December 2019, through September 2020. So it's almost a year. And during that time, we started out with $100,000. This is simulated, remember, this is not real money. But if you had started with the $100,000 and just used the 3 and the 5 as your criteria, when the 3 crosses over the 5 you buy, and when it crosses below the 5 you sell, you would have made $87,000 on $100,000. So that's 87%, and I thought that's a pretty good figure. You would have made 17 trades, and you would have won every one of them. All the trades are winners here. And I'll show you the strategy here in a minute. This is the performance graph. So every green dot is a new high in equity. And there's the total, the 87,000 on the 9th of September. The periodical returns are also pretty good. There's only one losing month, and that's $5,500 in June, the most recently past June here. Every other month it made at least a little profit, and some of them are pretty good. And the summary, of course, you see is right there. The drawdown, a lot of people like to know about that, was $51,000. So it made 87 and had a drawdown of 51, but of course it didn't stay there. All in all, it was a nice uptrend there. So this same strategy, by the way, does work at least a little bit on some other stocks. So that one's Avis there, that's the car. Let's try it on R, which is the Ryder truck place. That looks like a nice little equity curve there. You know, it's all going up. wound up with only 26,000. So it didn't make quite as much money, but they're pretty much all winning trades. So it's very nice. I like seeing things like that. I like watching also the SPY. It's kind of the the S&P 500, and on the SPY, that's a passable equity curve. In the 9 months, it did make $5,200, which isn't terrible, but it's not the greatest either. So I thought I'd just pass that along to you so you can see that if you use the short moving averages, the 3 and the 5 are the ones that I found to be best for what I was doing. So if you use the 3 and the 5, it makes a few trades and they tend to work pretty well. And that's about all I have for now. That's all. That's about all I have for today. Happy trading to you.